I know you probably want to see me put it on. I've never put on a wig before. So I'm just gonna flip it over. I only see this on TV. And hi guys, so I'm back with another video, obviously, and I've allowed my plaits to completely dry. I would not put a wig on wet twists. I wouldn't do it. Let me know, leave a comment down below if you have done that before. I don't know, new to the wig game, but this is my first wig. I purchased it at the beauty supply store with one of my besties, and yeah, so this is what it looks like, but it's in all black. So a bayang, a bayang, a wig with a bayang. So model premium wig. Let me just open it up. Let me just open it up. I've yet to open it up. It's actually stuck. 1 second. Okay, so it is, here are the specs. Model, style in sky, color 1B. Yeah, and so it has different colors available, and I simply purchased it at the beauty supply store. It says that it's safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit curling iron, available in 1B, 2, 4, P1B 30, P4 30, ombre sunflower, ombre bronze, ombre hazel, ombre sunset, ombre sangria, ombre wine, and ombre teal blue. Interesting. So this wig was $34.99 plus tax, again at the beauty supply store, and I purchased this like years ago, bro, sis, years ago. I don't even know how to open this thing. Okay, so it's a twisty tie at the end. And at one point I had a wig cap, like they give you one, but I don't now. And so it comes with the I'm saying a lot, but it comes with this attached to it, like the tag attached to it. So I'm simply going to take that off using my hair shears. Don't do this at home. Keep your hair shears sharp. Only cut your hair with them. Okay, so here is the wig. It's not as long as I thought, but it feels good. It's long. I have no idea, sis. It looks, I guess, natural. I don't know, but she about to get thrown on. So the back has the I don't even know what these are called, but this to adjust the wig, and I'm just going to put it on as is. I think it's on the loosest setting. I don't have a wig cap. I am going to pin these back though. I need a wig cap. I lost the wig cap. girl, get a wig cap if you have a wig cap. If this is something that I want to continue to wear, I will obtain a wig cap. Rest assured. Leave a comment down below if you know of any great wig caps, because the one that they gave me at the beauty supply was like one of those old stockings that when you try on shoes. It looked just like that. So very basic and cheap, but does that matter? Leave a comment down below. Also, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this content. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. So let me go pin my hair and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my hair is as flat as it can be. Frizzy, I don't care. This is a protective style. So, I don't know. I'm gonna need a wig head. I'm gonna need a wig head. I'm just making it look halfway decent before I put it on, making sure the hair is appropriate. It looks kind of cute. Does it look wiggy? Does it? Okay, so I know you probably want to see me put it on. I've never put on a wig before. So I'm just gonna flip it over. I only see this on TV. And okay, first off, does it look wiggy? Does it look wiggy? Does it? There's a little bump here from my braids, so I get what people say. I don't know if you can see it really. Can you? Can you see the bump or nah? I think it's cute. I think it's cute. This is the length. I think it's cute. It looks kind of wiggy though. Or does it? Wonder, can I zhuzh it up? I'm not trying to burn this hair. It says that, I think, what does it say? You can use up to safe up to 400 degrees curling iron. I don't want to mess it up. If you have straight hair, just keep it straight. Yeah, so let me, is this a look? Is this a look? Is this the new look? Is this the birthday look? I legit remember my hair being like this a little bit. Do you guys remember, like everybody who knows me from young adulthood, I would get some bangs sometimes. So anyway, I'm just kind of shocked. Please be sure to subscribe, sis. Subscribe, bro. I'm coming with some new fire. I'm coming with some new fire. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this content. Let me know if you like this wig. I like the way that it feels. It feels super soft. And I just have to, these are the two top braids, so I would just have to bring them back a little bit further, and I think that I'll be cool. But I'm not sure if you could see them. Like here are the knots from the braids that I pinned back, and then obviously the back ones, they're not visible, or I can't feel them because your hair flows away. But I love, like, I just literally threw this on, literally. And also, how do you get a wig not to look wiggy? Leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. It looks like a wig right now. But when I keep it like this, I don't know. I'm gonna have to play with it. Yeah, I'm out.